I would like to quote a teaching from Buddha Shakyamuni on Tibetan organization that Om Ye Dharma Hetu Prabhava Hetu Tesham Tathagata Vinamudam Tesham Chayo Virodham Evam Vadi Mama Shramanai Dvaha. Meaning that all phenomena, especially the phenomena of hatred, anger, and jealousy arises from its causes. The causes are taught by Tathagata. Tathagata meaning here is the enlightened ones. And the elimination of these causes is also taught by the great seer. Great seer also meaning here the enlightened ones. Now today we have here amongst us our most beloved Chief Minister, Sri Bipin Pandit. We have the most renowned face and voice of Northeast India, the Union Minister, Sri Kiran Rijiju, and other ministers, MP, along with Government, Chief Secretary, high-ranking Army officers, the other officers, many senior government officials, public leaders, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of Tripur youths, as well as the Tripur villagers, would like to welcome you to this beautiful location of Zermetang, which is near the great government Gangpa. I also would like to welcome those who are connected to us through social media and other internet facilities. The main 2-day Lord Festival with the theme Atithi Devo Bhava, meaning guest satisfaction, is paramount to us. Is the long dream of the youth of Tripur village before it finally got materialized today. Now this has been possible because of our most dear Chief Minister Sri Bipin Pandit, along with the unconditional support of the district administration. Sri Bipin Pandit has been a long and constant vision for caring and systematic plan for the future of our youth. Therefore, under his patronage, we plan to develop this whole range of national mountains into a biodiversity park where the flora and fauna can be preserved and it will attract both domestic and international tourists as well as researchers and visitors. Hence, such a project is in the pipeline, slowly and steadily. With the environment-friendly infrastructure as ropeways, tracks for both walking and cycling, beautification of existing lakes, development of council grounds, construction of urban restaurants, cafes. Therefore, we would like to request our honorable chief to kindly look into and consider this event, Tripur Development Festival, as an annual calendar event or at least a biennial event, meaning that once in 2 years. Now, here I would like to share some information with our guests that as we turn back and look into the history of Taiwan, there are 2 dates and years are very important and very relevant too. Like the year 1951, 1959, 1962, and 1984. 59 is the year when these religious devoted Dalai Lama reached India via Taiwan to seek asylum, blessing our region as a sanctuary of peace. 62 is the year when China attacked India through many border location points. 84 is the year on which Tawang got its own full-fledged district called Tawang district. In all the 4 events that took place in the past, like other leaders and peoples of Tawang, the villagers of Tripur also made significant contributions. If I may say so, and share some of the achievements of this village, Tripur, then the first political assistant after the Taiwan came into the administration in 1959 was from this village. First IRS in the revenue service from Taiwan was also from this village, and second IRS officer from Taiwan was also from this village. First female nurse who got transfer from the Practical Nursing College in 1965 was also from this village. First lady teacher, then called Bangla Street teacher, who got appointed in 1958 and posted in Dhirapur is also from this village. First specialist doctor from Tawang district is also from this village. And the first resident doctor from Tawang is also someone who is married to this village. In Arunachal, we call it Bangkok. The first cabinet minister of Taiwan under its Commonwealth leadership in 1978-79 was also a member of this village. And currently, maybe someone first from Arunachal to go and talk and work for this village got visa for a famous beauty Olympics in 1972 in Germany is also from this village. And then, in recent times, we all have seen in social media that the female officer, first officer from Arunachal is from this village. Likewise, there are many more who make Jino village a remarkable and important village. And I would like also to recollect those historic figures who have visited Taiwan village like Children village in the past, such as Dr. Lake Daiji, man as the architect of modern Arunachal, had visited this village in 1962 when he came to Taiwan just before the 62 war. The famous British historian Michael Harris, along with his wife, Nobel laureate Aung San Suu Kyi, the two kids, had also visited this village in 1978. Major Bharati revisited this village in 1985 when he came to Taiwan again after 95 years since the annexation of Taiwan in 1951. Then in 1988, late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi ji, along with President Sonia Gandhi, had visited this Jino village. He visited the Dalai Lama, addressed it for a while on the roadside of Jino whenever he was traveling towards Taiwan. These are some of the information that I wanted to share with you here. And at the same time, I want to motivate the youth of the Jino village to draw inspiration and feel a positive pride from this information that work unitedly for the progress of Jino village and for the betterment of Jino villages. And now today we have here in Jino village, we have an army village headquarters here, and we have a PRO organization here headed by a commandant here, and we also have a beautiful army medical office, medical hospital located in Jino village. So these are the information I wanted to share along with everything guests. Now I will allow to speak few words in Monpa so that the Monpa people can understand what this festival is all about. This is